Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Taurus. Taurus people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Taurus, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Alright? Okay. Okay, so we have 8 of Wands and Page of Pentacles. Taurus, this is your current energy and this is your partner's current energy. Okay, so Taurus, with this card 8 of Wands, you are waiting for some kind of confirmation or some kind of communication from somebody, perhaps from your person. Okay, you are eagerly waiting for this communication, you are eagerly waiting for this person to come and talk to you. Okay, you desperately wants to talk this person, or you desperately wants to communicate your feelings, your emotions, or you are waiting for some kind of a communication in your life. Whatever the case it is, you are eager to do something. Either you are going to get a confirmation call or some kind of a call, or it could be a confirmation call or some job application. You perhaps you must have applied for some jobs and all that. You can get offer letter from there also. So some kind of a communication for you are waiting for. Okay, on the other hand, we have Page of Pentacles. Taurus, your person is being somebody who is just trying hard in their life. All right, they have this pentacle in their hand, they have the huge land just behind their back. It seems like your person is just trying hard or trying their luck in life, right? Because they have this they have immense opportunity in life, so they just want to explore things, they just want to explore their luck in life. All right, and it comes to relationship thing as well. Okay, perhaps they are they are involved with somebody else also. Perhaps they are just exploring things, or exploring people, or exploring energies. I don't know. Or it could also happen, Taurus, that your person is being very optimistic about their career, their future, their business, their job, their finances. And it seems like they are always ready to take action towards their financial thing, or towards their career, towards their finances, or goals. Okay, so something is there. In nutshell, I can say that your person is somebody who has a vast vision. They want to explore things, they want to explore people, they want to explore life, they want to explore opportunities. Okay, now let's see what is the mutual energy between you and them. What is the mutual energy between you and them? Traveling. Okay. Okay, so Taurus, with this card traveling, it seems like both of you know the destination. You and your person knows the destination. Okay, somewhere somehow you feel that this person is your life, somewhere somehow this person also feels in a same manner. And but the thing is that the best part about this relationship is that I'm not seeing any kind of commitment here. Okay, I mean, nobody, both of you are not relying on each other. Okay, both of you are free from commitments, but still, after being free from commitments, still you guys are together. Okay, you have your own ways to explore things, they have their own ways to explore things. You have your own ways to explore life, they have their own ways to explore life. Okay, but the thing is that wherever you go, wherever they go, eventually you guys are going to be on the same page. All right, so this is your mutual energy. Now let's see, Taurus, how a person sees you, what actions they are taking towards you right now, and what actions they'll take towards you in future. Okay, We Are the World is the first card. Okay, I have got 2 cards. So with these 2 cards, your person sees you as somebody who has support of angels, who has support of divine. Okay, because we are the world card says to me that your person sees you as somebody who has a solution of each and every problem. All right, they see you as somebody who is people rely on you, people look up to you, people believe in you, people trust you, people love you, people adore you. Okay, people respect you. So they see you as somebody who is always there to help everyone. The best possible way in which you can help the other people. So you are somebody who helps other people, who are with them or for them always. Okay, and you are somebody who is being guided by divine, even though you are not aware of such certain things, or perhaps you feel that all these things are why you face such, why always people come to you to take guidance, why always people come to you to take suggestions, why always people come to ask help from you, but you are not, but you never know why. You are somebody who is blessed with divine blessings, divine guidance, something. All right. It seems like your person is not taking actions right now because they are going through some phases in their life. As I told you, they are being Page of Pentacles, so they are going through a lot of experiences in their life. Okay, they are somebody who has a vast vision for life. Okay, so they are exploring things, they are exploring people, they are exploring energies. So at this point of time, they are taking their own time to get mature, to gain and gather most of the knowledge or the information about people, about people's behavior, people's patterns and all that. So at this point of time, they are not taking any action towards you, Taurus. But yes, in future I can see that they can take certain action towards you, because I told you that the mutual energy card for both of you is telling me that both of you are on the same page, and it seems like in future they'll be going to explore things. They'll be thinking about you, they'll be thinking about how you treat them, how they treat you, what is the main chemistry, how's your chemistry, okay, with each other, how you feel about them, how they feel about you, and vice versa. Okay, and yeah, so with this existence card, they feel that it's okay if this person is being with me, even though they won't be able to come up with any kind of solid commitments, but yes, they'll be able to understand that if I want a person in my life, then this should be my person. Okay, so they always look up to you, Taurus. All right. Okay, so Taurus, it feels like you are dealing with some fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Some of you could be dealing with earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn in this reading. Okay, all right. So Taurus people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to hit the bell notification. And thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.